Hello and welcome to this Volkswagen part exchange sale video on this 2016 66 reg Seat Leon FR Sport 2 litre TDI 150 estate manual. It's had 3 owners from new. First 2 were 2 years each. Last owner had it for 4.5 years. He bought it in 2021 from Thurlow Nunn Vauxhall near Peterborough somewhere. It's still got their rear window sticker and their number plates up front and back. It's now done 98,800 miles. It's got a full service history, initially with I think Seat, but the last owner had it serviced by a trusted local garage. He's kept his receipts as well, but the service book is fully stamped up. He also did interim oil changes, and I've got a receipt for the parts from about 5,000 miles ago, but it's due a proper service, i.e. a stamp in the book now, so I'll do that before sale. It's only an oil change because so much was done at the last service. It's going to have a new MOT, and it also comes with 6 months warranty-wise gold cover, which you can have for 12, 24, 36 months if you pay a little bit extra. It doesn't cost an awful lot to extend it, and it's pretty good cover. Obviously, it's quite an old car, so they have to limit what they cover, but it's still, I think, probably better than you might expect. So it's in silver, and it's got 17-inch alloy wheels. The tyres are all Bridgestone apart from that front left, which is the Falcon. They've all got 4 to 5 mil tread left, so they're about halfway through their lives. The brakes don't look pretty, but they're at that point where they don't look pretty, but they've still got loads of life left. Pads have got loads of meat on them, so they don't need touching. Condition-wise, well, it's done nearly 100,000 miles, so it's not going to be perfect. There are some marks here and there, it's chipping there. There's some big chips on the bonnet that I've touched in a bit. Actually come up quite well for silver. Other chips. The wheels have got minor marks on them, I think pretty much all of them, but they don't justify refurbishment. As you can see, they're not ingrained with brake dust either, so they're nice and clean and bright. The bodywork is generally perfect. The load lip is really good as well. There's a tiny little nick there. One thing that's not great is that there's been a smart repair in this door here, probably done by the Vauxhall dealership, but you know, it took a while for me to notice that, so it's not major, and there's a little scratch there that I might actually polish out. Apart from that though, it's pretty good, and I think that's pretty good going for the mileage. Let's just have a look at the wheels. That's front right, the mark down there. That one's actually pretty good. And over here we have, nothing, just a little mark there I think maybe. And back to the front left, so yeah, they're actually pretty good. Let's have a look inside now. Let's start with the boot, because that's important with these cars. Some of them can get battered. This one's pretty good. So it's got the parcel shelf. It's got a 2-level boot floor. This is in the high position, so you can have it lower. The last owner, being a sensible chap, bought this space saver spare wheel and the toolkit, but the tyre foam's there as well, just in case. Rear parking sensors. Fuel flap. In the back then, it's had some use, but there's nothing to report. It's not battered. All the Isofix covers are there. Nothing's broken. It's clean. The mats are the originals and in good condition. Door cards are all good. Driver's seat, well, you would never know, would you? It's got this sort of fake leather outer bolster section, which probably helps. The seat's just drying now. It had a little stain on it, so it should dry a little bit lighter and look a bit more consistent when it's dry. Steering wheel mint, got normal cruise control, we've got automatic headlights, electric folding mirrors, ambient lighting in the doors, you should just be able to see in this light. Lovely alloy sill protectors, not stainless pedals on this car, but they're easy to fit and brighten it up a bit. Original mat still in good condition, and we've got 2 keys, there's one there. I'll just show you the passenger side and in the glove box, and we'll pop the bonnet for later. So again, another good mat, the seats, perfect. Glove box, locking wheel box key there, book pack, and then the nav SD card box there. Okay, let's get in and start her up. I do need to point out the cable and the phone don't come with the car, they're mine. That's purely so I can demonstrate CarPlay, because that's a nice touch. And this is a facelift car, so they should all have it, but it's a very early facelift car. Also, they've got rid of the manual parking brake, handbrake. We've now got an electric parking brake with auto hold, so you should never need to touch that, so don't be nervous of it if you've never used one. These later ones with auto hold are spot on. Gear knob's good. We've got dual climate, it does blow cold. Let's just unlock my phone. There we go, CarPlay. It's not wireless, but It just needs a normal USB cable, and it does Android Auto as well. Of course, I always forget to mention that. I shouldn't. Front center armrest, light coloured headliner, 98,836 miles. Comes with a load of fuel, so come quickly because I might use that, but currently it's just over half tank. Thank you, Matt, for that. Electric folding mirrors, let's just show they work. There you go, both sides. It's usually Audis where they're a bit iffy. We've got nav, so it's quite a nice spec this. But if you've got CarPlay, you're not interested in Bluetooth or nav, you just do it all through CarPlay. Okay, let's have a look under the bonnet. So, 2-litre TDI, 150 horsepower. This car does over 60 miles to the gallon easily. The long-term trip on this car is over that. I'll show you that actually because it's worth seeing. I don't think anything's been off. Everything looks untouched. Apart from that smart repair bit, the paint looks original, by the way. Soundproofing pads all good. Why can't Volkswagens look like that at 50,000 miles? I don't know. And there we have, that's the Vauxhall branded number plate in there. LED headlights. Okay, so trip computer, as you can see, fires up crisply. Everything goes out apart from seatbelt. Look at that, long-term consumption, 63.5, and also this is a £35 road tax car, which makes it a very cheap car to run. It's really nice to drive as well. They're a little bit sporty on the road, these ones. So if we go 61 cents refuel, yeah, 63.5 over how long? 3,000 miles. That's pretty representative. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this Volkswagen car sales video on this 2016 66 reg Leon Estate. If you need any more information, don't hesitate to get in touch with me by email, andrew@volkswizard.co.uk.